ka ba? Drawing inspiration from the founder of modern nursing, Florence Nightingale, the selfless babe advocates for the women, especially the Filipino nurses, to stand tall and raise their voices. Malasakit is the key. Mutia Ti La Union. This champion of education believes in the power of knowledge to break barriers and build bridges. Her advocacy supports the education of women, nurturing a generation of leaders and change makers. Mutia Ti La Union. Always stand your ground and have your own backbone as a woman is something that's been her mantra for long. The same belief that she proudly brought to the competition. Mutia Ti La Union. Taking up space and finding your voice to lead is what our next babe advocates. She believes that when a woman finally steps out of men's shadow, her potential and empowerment would know no limitations. Mutia Ti Burgos. She is here to amplify and advocate for the women farmers, the cultivators, and the women architect of agriculture and sustainable future. You are a mountain of extraordinary soul. Mutia Ti Pugo. Living in the digital world, everyone is now within the interest of social media. Our next Mutia aims to etch gender equality and women empowerment even deeper on their digital representation. Mutia Ti Bagulin. Our next babe wants to prove that beauty pageants aren't just for the narrow-minded standard of beauty, but more on the powerful assertion of one's identity. She is here to win it. Mutia Ti San Juan. An advocate of solo parents, she's drawing inspiration from her #1 hero, her mother, giving more career opportunities to all nanay na, tatay pa. Continue making your mom proud. Mutia Ti Bangal. a true epitome of someone who respects culture and heritage. She advocates for one of the unsung heroes of our nation, the Weavers. Mutia Ti an athlete whose sports immersion and enthusiasm inspired her to challenge the norms of sports, being a male-dominated platform. Keep the adrenaline soaring. Mutia Ti This next babe always wants to be at the front line of those who fight for the underdog. Her heart goes strongly to the welfare and protection of underrepresented people in our society, the youth, women, and people with disabilities. Mutia Ti Sudipin. With unwavering determination, she stands tall, her voice a beacon of strength, echoing the cries of those silenced by oppression. Let's end gender-based violence one voice at a time. Mutia Ti San Gabriel. She believes that investing in women's education is pivotal for creating a more equitable, prosperous future. Hence, her presence here to be the catalyst of its transformative power. Mutia Ti Balawan. She is no doubt a proud Morena. She's unapologetic in showing how comfortable and beautiful she feels with her skin color. Kayumanggi all the way. Mutia Ti Baknotan. She believes that women's presence in the realm of economic analysis is tantamount to its fruitful success. That is why she's here to intensify the sound of it. You're off to a good start. Mutia Ti Santo Tomas. Empowering and giving more livelihood programs to all single mothers who juggle into multiple roles with grace and resilience are what she's here for. Mutia Ti Rosario. Nobody's mental health is above the rest. Everyone's mental health is important. Women's is no different. That is this young lady so wholeheartedly wanted to represent. Mutia Ti Agoo. This young lady believes that women play a vital role in society. So she advocates of breaking barriers of inequality built by patriarchy. Mutia Ti City of San Fernando. She believes that the dedication, sacrifices, and unspoken battles of all women breadwinners are in high time fitted for a well-deserved recognition. Mutia Ti Santol. The 3 C's for the elderly, a community culture of care. This extraordinary babe truly knows the alphabet of love and empowerment. Your vision is trailblazing.